Hi guys, I'm back and it's time to unbox our Mint Mongoose. I think this is May's, it's June's, I don't know. I'll figure it out while I'm editing. Anyways, for those of you who aren't aware, Mint Mongoose is a jewelry subscription service and you get 3 pieces of jewelry. The price kind of varies depending on how long you subscribe for, and yeah. My favorite thing about this, other than the fact it's all teal, and it's one of my favorite colors, is there's always a piece of candy. There's always this Werther's Original, and it's a really small touch, and I don't know why, it brightens my day. Anyways, each month does have a theme, and this is kind of like my moment of zen for the day. Like, I love reading these cards because they end up getting really deep, and they end up, like, I think about them later, and I'm like, she's on to something. The creator of this subscription box is she's really deep. I think I've already said that, but she's really deep. Anyways, moving on. So the outside of the card always has, or one side of the card I should say, always has some sort of an illustration on it. So this looks like a light bulb that says the words explore, create, imagine over and over again. And then the back is a preview of what the jewelry is for this month, as well as her intention, her inspiration behind the jewelry set. So let's go ahead and read it. It says, "Hi there, this month's set is inspired by harnessing and running with creativity. Between the jewelry creations and daily lives of 3 kiddos ages 5 and under, one thing we are not short of in my household is creativity. However, it wasn't until my daughter, Emma, ran up to show me her 1,498th drawing that I realized it. She caught me right at the right moment, and that drawing stopped me in my tracks. I began watching her and her brother Emerson as they continuously pushed the boundaries of reality to live with flair in the life they were creating moment by moment. It was a beautiful thing. We have rocks in front of our house, and 99% of the time we come or go, Emerson grabs a rock which he becomes instantly attached to and dreads having to return it to its home. While Emma grabbed my attention and drew my eyes to the creativity we were thriving in, I really wanted to incorporate Emerson in his quirky ways as we celebrate his 4th year of life and Emma's 6th. With my infatuation with nature, I couldn't think of a better way to memorialize my little man's love for those landscaping rocks than with some real polished stones. 3, of course, for my 3 kiddos. I hope that this set reminds you of a few things when you wear it. 1, the beautiful things happening all around you that may be a bit clouded by day-to-day life, but that only take a little effort to appreciate. And 2, the amazing tool that creativity is and the power it has to completely transform and inspire when given the chance. You have it in you, and I hope that when you wear this set, you feel inspired to create." You got me again. She did it again. Some housekeeping that I was just reminded of while reading this card. If you guys remember last month, my earrings came broken. I ended up emailing the company and they said they were more than happy to replace it, NBD, but they were asking if it would be okay to just stick it in this month's, that way they wouldn't have to pay extra shipping, and I was totally fine with it. So now's the test to see if I got my replacement set of earrings. And another, again, look at the little mongoose. It's a little mongoose. Maybe I'm just easily amused, I don't know. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what all is inside. So it does look like I got my replacement earrings, so I'm pretty excited about that. And they are the exact same style, if you will, because you can choose, I think, between gold, silver, and rose gold, or you also have the option to just be like, surprise me. And I feel like all jewelry tones suit my skin. Maybe it's because I have a winter shade and a summer shade, so if I feel like I can't rock it in summer, then maybe I can rock it in winter or one in the in-between seasons. Or maybe I just have one of those skin tones that's just, suitable for everything. So here are my replacement earrings, which this one also kind of came a little broken, not gonna lie. Oh, but it's okay. I think I understand why the one was missing a hook, but this is the earrings from last month. And that's what they look like. And then there's also a ring, which does not look like it goes with this month's theme, but we'll go ahead and open it. I think she might have said she might have thrown in something a little extra. I don't remember. Either way, I love simplistic gold rings, which is what this looks like to be. All of the rings are adjustable, so that's always nice because I can adjust it to whatever finger I want to wear it on. So this is what the ring looks like. I love that. That is so cute. Ugh, love it. The jewelry is usually, they don't always have like 2 necklaces and a ring, or two necklaces and earrings or whatever. They mix up every month what they give you in those 3 pieces. But I feel like there's always at least 1 necklace, and then like the other 2 I think are little wild cards. So we'll go ahead and see what I ended up getting. Okay, the first piece I opened up, it's a necklace with the 3 little black rocks, and it looks like I got the silver set this month. I really like that. It is perfect. One of the things I've mentioned before in these videos is I used to do the Nadine West clothing subscription. And well, I feel like the clothes were really hit or miss. Well, actually, honestly, all of it was really hit or miss. I really do miss the jewelry they offered. And since I canceled Nadine West, I feel like this has been a good replacement for that. I can never get these necklaces to like balance right. There we go. Oh, I love that. I love that so much. We'll move on to the next piece. So the next piece looks like a layering necklace, and something I haven't mentioned about their necklaces, I mentioned all of the rings are adjustable, but the necklaces have different lengths, so you can make it longer or shorter. So we'll go ahead and pair this together, even though I'll be honest, this isn't my favorite necklace. The chain is just not doing it for me, but you know, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I just need to wear it together. Okay, this is what they look like together. Not my favorite. Honestly, I would probably just wear this necklace. I'd probably wear this necklace a little longer. I would probably make it a little longer. I'm not in love with the chain as much this month, but that's fine by me. We'll go ahead and move on to what looks like a set of earrings. Okay, here are what the earrings look like. I love just like this nature inspired look that we're going for this month. I love everything about this set. Okay, I lied. I mean, I know I just said I didn't like the chain necklace. But the other 2 pieces in this set, I am very happy with. And now I am very happy with their customer service now that I've had a reason to test it, if you will, since I got the broken earrings last month. Love that. Anyways, that is it for this video. If you've made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider doing the things that support my YouTube channel, such as liking and sharing and subscribing and turning on the notification bell. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and stay cool out there, my friends.